That's enough for them. Give me it. These are Cheetos, man. Look at that. Jesus.
Oh my God. You're going away.
Dang.
Are you recording?
Ah! Stay still. Don't move. You're gonna skip. See? Don't move.
Look at you, Lana.
This is like the closest I've ever been to a damn seagull. Look at them suckers, man. They just don't move. They'll come closer to you.
Oh my God, I want to come closer to the
They're not gonna eat you. Just trust me. Don't move, and they won't touch nothing on you. Damn. Look at this. You ass!
That's not towards you. That was funny. Oh my God. Ah!
No, leave him alone. Stupid. Here, hold the camera. Just watch, focus on them. Don't get it out of sight. Focus on
Still
them.
recording?
Yes. Well, at least something is... Stop, Ben! I want to get them like that. Oh, what, you big baby, here.
Can I now?
Okay.
I want to do it.
So,
Stop!
stop.
I did it!
Okay, you retard.
I'm just gonna stand up.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Don't move.
Hey!
Quit! I want to see how close they'll get to us.
Hey, record me real quick.
No!
Come on, come here.
No! It's funny, they're standing in pairs. Stop! Not your Cheetos, and stop it. You feel like a retard, you know that? They eat them like they ain't never ate none before.
Oh.
Look at the back of her shirt. She looks like she shit herself. Okay, bye-bye, seagulls.